We have just harvested this whole entire field of rice. It took us just under 3 hours. And that is the harvester over there at the end. And up top you can see the rice which we will harvest next week. And so the rice is planted in very neat straight rows. The harvester goes down, cuts them, puts them in little bunches, and when it's working right, it puts each bundle, puts a string around each bundle. Like this. Oh, there's a cricket. Hello. So, the little knot here. So, all of these. And then we have to go pick them up. And I can carry about 9 at once before it gets too heavy. Then you come over here, split each bundle in half, and put it over the top of this bamboo, these bamboo poles, which we put up. This is called saddling the rice, like a horse on a saddle. And then the rice, just down here, dries in the sun, and it tastes much better, according to Jiro-san, than rice which is not dried in the sun. So it's very expensive. But he said us farmers are poor because we still don't get paid enough. So I will never waste another grain of rice in my whole entire life. Okay.